In this particular video, I'm going to show you how to create demo account, real account with Octa. So in case you're seeing this video online or anywhere you get access to this particular video, check the comment section. So you're going to find this particular link. So with this particular link, you can actually create, see this link I'm pointing at here. So wherever you get access to it, if you're in my community, if you're in my training community, and you get to this video, the link must have been dropped already to you. So you click the link. Once you click the link, it's going to take you into where you can create your account. I'm making this video from the scratch. Let's assume you've not created account before, or you've even created account before. So follow me through. It's as simple as this. So this is it. So all I need to do is to click the link. As I click the link, it's going to load me from wherever the link was found. It's going to take you straight. And if you haven't yet gotten access to this link, you want to be on my community, all you have to do is check the description, reach out to me on email or WhatsApp or any of my number. Now once you get to this point, listen to me, listen very well. One thing is that Octa will not allow you to create 2 accounts on their platform. So if you already had account with them, they will not allow you to do that. So if you don't have account with them, then you enter your email at this point, put your email there, put your password, and you are good to go. But look at that, because I already have account with this particular email with them. As I put that email and that password, as I put the email, they tell me this email is already registered in our service. Restore your password. That is in case I forgot it. So in case you want to be in my community and you want to use this email and register again, they will not allow you to register again. So because of that, what you need to do is very simple. All you have to do is to log in. Log in that existing account. If you remember your password and your email, log in. If you do not remember, then you need to go on, click restore password, then they're going to grant you access to do that. But at this point, what I want to do is to log in. For those of you that does not have account before, that's you don't have account with Octa before, all you have to do is put in there, put your password and click sign up. You see where there is sign up here. Now look at sign up, click this particular sign up. Once you click that sign up, it's going to take you straight to the inside. But at this point, I already have account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click login. Look at where we have login under here. Can you see login? Look at login here. So you click login. Once you click login, which is going to give you a space, this same space to put your email and password. So what I'll do is I'll click login. So I'm clicking login now, and it's loading the page like you can see. So I'll now enter my email and password, and voila, I'm good to go. When you want to log in, they might ask you some question for authentication to be sure. Now this is a question. They just want to be sure that you're a real human. So the question they are asking us here is to verify that we are human by answering, touching, selecting where there are motorcycles. You can see I'm selecting those motorcycles. Please select it carefully until you see that they are over. Once you get it correctly, they will allow you to pass, just like that. I've passed and I'm inside the account now. I've entered inside the dashboard. So let's go to the dashboard for you to see how it is. Now this is how it is. This is how the account is. Everything is there. So when you create a new account, this is how it's going to be. This time around, let's assume you are here and you don't have anything. You don't have real account. You don't have any account. So you are to create account. What you have to do is to click this place. Look at this particular place I'm circling. You see that place? So once you click that particular place, it will open and give you, to ask you to choose whether you want to work on your real account or demo account. But while my own is showing like this, is because I've already created both demo and real account. So don't worry, I'm going to show you what to do. If you have not created both, it will show you that. And that place is actually where to switch your account. So if you don't have any account, you want to create account, either you have real account or you have demo account, you might find yourself that as you're coming, the prompt might take you straight to create one of those accounts. You might automatically create real account, you might automatically create demo account. Anyone that you find yourself creating, there's no issue on that. So all you have to do is just scroll down, you're going to see where they say create account. Listen very well. If you have not created real account or demo account, once you click any of this place, this first place is going to give you switch and give you button to create. But better still, scroll down here, you're going to see your account, this account that you have here. So you click create account. When you click create account like this, I hope you've seen that place. Click. Now once you come inside the account, there are things you need to consider. Octa recommend that you use OctaTrader, and because that's their platform, they'll recommend that for you. But before I go into that, I want to show you something. This is demo, this is real. So which account do you want to create? Is it demo account or is it real account that you want to create? Anyone. So right now, let's create a demo account. So in order for us to create a demo account, we will toggle this particular demo. We'll touch it so that we can create a demo account. We click there. Now the next thing is Octa is recommending that we use their platform for trading. You can use Octa platform for trading. I'll make series of videos on that, and I'll still be making more videos. You can use it. I use it very well. It works. The truth of the matter is that everybody are trying to promote their own product. That's just the point. So they're all good. You can also use MT4. You can use MT5. But here, the best for now, I think so, I stand to be corrected, is MetaTrader 5, MT5. So we'll be using this particular one for the trading. So for that reason, I'll touch it. Now, why am I touching it? Is because that's the one who log it into MT5. So you need to select that point. Then let your leverage be at 1:1000. Then your balance, you can make your balance, you can increase your balance to 10,000, play it off and make it 10,000. You can still do it that way. There's nothing wrong. Then at this point, once you're done, get to this point, you click create. And the moment you do that, in less than a minute, congrats, your demo account have been created. So that's how to create your account. Now, there's something sensitive you need to see, because these are the things you use to log into your MT5. The first thing you need to take a closer look at is this particular account number. They'll ask you that your login ID is this number. Do you understand? Your saver is OctaFX demo. That's your saver. Then your password is here. You touch this eye icon, then it will pop up and show you what your password is. If you touch it, it will show you, then you can copy. Now your investor password this and that, but I don't think you really need much of that. But the major thing you need are these three information that are here. So that is it. So we are going to put this in our MT5. Did you get it now? So you can see your balance is there already. Is there already. So with that, we are actually good to go. So you can tap on trade or view dashboard, but we are done. So at this point, you switch over to your MT5 in order for you to continue the login information. Now the same thing is what happened if you want to create a real account. The same way, I think let's create a real account so you can have an eye on it. So let's go back to the dashboard. Now we are going back to the dashboard. Now those informations will still be sent to you in your email. Those password informations will be sent to you on your email. So at this time, you can see the balance is here. 100,000 is there. Yes, 100,000 is there. If you want to use that, that's for demo. You can use it for trading. So now let's go back. This time around, we want to create a real account. Come here to same create account, that same place we came earlier. When you get there, click create account. Then they're going to ask you, is it real, is it demo? This time we are going on real. So real is already there. So are you going to use MT4 or MT5? We say we want to use MT5. Since you want to use MT5, they tell you the minimum deposit here. You can see the minimum deposit is $20. So that's the minimum deposit you're going to use. Now your leverage, let it remain at this 1:1000, and you click create. Once you click create, it's going to create the account for you instantly. So they ask you to deposit. You can deposit right away. It's better you do your KYC. You verify the account. Like mine is been verified already, so that is why. But for you, it's better you do your KYC. So if you want to deposit, all you need to do is you click this particular place. You click this particular place you're seeing here, this deposit. If you click deposit this place now, it will take you to where to deposit. So let's go straight so you can see how to deposit. But before we go down there, I want to show you something. So this is your account number when you want to go to MT5. This is what we'll put on MT5. Look at your saver. Your saver is OctaFX Real. That's your saver. Then the platform that we use it is MT5. That's it. These are the important information that they will ask you when you want to log into your MT5. These informations are very important. Keep it very close to yourself because you will definitely need it as you are going to log it into your MT5. These are what you need to use in your MT5. By the way, your MT5 is not an account, so to say. It's just a tool, so you log it in order to use it. So that being said, let's go jump into deposit. So we want to tap deposit now. So once we tap deposit now, you can see the account number, accounts want to deposit now. So let's do as if we want to deposit. Let's just proceed so you can see how it is. So they ask you want to deposit into this account or another account. Let's assume it is this account. You just click there. But if it's not this account, it's another account, you can click. You can see now there are two real accounts here. So if it is not this particular one, we see the number. That is it. The one that you want to use in trading, is the one you're funding. Let's just continue with this deposit. So once you click deposit here, now they'll bring you to how you are going to deposit. They ask you the percentage bonus you're going to get. Accept it up to 50%. Now you're going to see different ways of deposit. The one I prefer, I easily use is this. I recommend it. I use another my account is this. I just want to use this fresh account for this demonstration. Use instant bank transfer. With instant bank transfer, they'll give you an account. You see where I just circle this particular place that I circle now. This particular place, this place, instant bank transfer. But if you can use any other, you can use other means of payment, fine, no problem. But the easiest one is instant bank transfer, so they can give you account number to transfer in your local bank. So I'll click it. Now they'll ask you some question. Specify the deposit amount. How much do you want to deposit? How much can you deposit? The minimum you can deposit, they said, is $20. Good, so you can convert it. So if you're depositing 100,000 at this current 100,000 naira at this day, on this particular day I'm doing this video, it will be $64. If you're depositing 60,000, it will be $38. If you're depositing $40, it will be this. So how much can you deposit? They said minimum is 33,000. So any of those ones, but let me just use 100,000 for example. I'm using it for example. Now they're going to give you, that will be $64. So we proceed with that. You click continue. You click continue. As you click continue, they are going to ask you if you need this bonus, this unlimited bonus. You tick it. Now once you tick it, they'll ask you which one. Select the percentage and apply to the bonus. Now you select this 50%. Once you select the 50%, you click continue. These things are not difficult. They are not difficult. You click continue. When you click continue, they'll ask you to choose your bank. Yes, they'll ask you to choose your bank. So let's assume you have account with any of this bank. So you choose any of the bank that you have account with. They'll ask you to choose. So you choose the bank you have and click continue. Once you click continue, what they're going to bring out is going to be your Octa account detail alongside with your bank name. So you can see here, that's your bank you say you choose. That access that we choose earlier. This is your account ID. Here's your account ID. The platform is Octa. Then you're making instant transfer, and this is the amount you're sending, which this amount will be added in this particular account. I don't know if it's clear. This amount, when you transfer this amount, let me put it this way. By the time you transfer this amount, it will now take this particular amount and add in this account. That's just the point. So if you want to get more instruction, you can click the instruction or you click make deposit. Now once you click make the deposit, in less than a few seconds, they're going to load it and tell you, okay, because you're transferring this money, you should know that the amount is actually correct and everything. Kindly go through it by yourself. Do not save or reuse the account you're paying the money to. This account expire after this a fixed time. That's just what they mean. I'm just giving you some guidance. So all you need to do is to say, okay, I understand. You take this particular place. So I'll tick there. Once I tick that place, you now click continue. Now as you click continue, this process you need to take time and follow it carefully. They will now give you the account number. This is the account number. This particular Sterling Bank. Please do not go and pay money and put in this very account again. No. Don't copy from this view and say, okay, let me save myself stress. I don't want to go through those processes. No. This particular account number have been customized in the system now and add to that number that we show. But over some time, whether I use it or I don't use it, this number will expire. So if you pay money and put it again, it won't work. So you follow this process and get to this point. Once you get to this point, you copy this number, go to the bank or make your transfer right away. Make your transfer with your Access Bank account and put exactly the amount that you put there. So in this point, we say we want to put 100,000. You see this 100,000 that we told them we want to put this particular 100,000. So make sure you put exactly that 100,000 in this account. Do you understand now? Make sure you put that exactly that 100,000 in this account. So make the transfer and put I can see this thing is loaded. It's trying to confirm that the transaction has been done. Do you understand? They say this account will expire in 58 minutes something second. So they expect that before that time you should be able to transfer the money. So they are actually checking if you have made the transfer, so they can confirm it on their own. So it's very safe, like you can see right now. So that's how to make deposit. With that in mind, you are good to go. That's how to create account, real, demo, fund them. In this process, you are good to go. So stay tuned and watch more videos, because we are coming out with more content that's going to help you to become a profitable trader. Watch this video that is being recommended for you to do so right now, and see you next time.